Avon Bulbs is a family business which began its life near Bradford-on-Avon. We concentrate on growing and supplying bulbs by mail order, particularly those not easily handled by garden centres, and exhibiting these in their due season in order to promote ourselves and to encourage the use of bulbs in the garden. We are located in South Somerset, where we have a core staff of about 8, aided by some seasonal workers at the busiest times of year, in an area surrounded by National Trust properties such as Barrington Court, Montacute House, and nearby the famous garden at East Lambrook, where Marjorie Fish gardened until the late 1960s. Avon Bulbs has been trading for more than 30 years, and in that time we have attended most of the major shows and have a great medal record with a long row of 30 Chelsea Gold medals displayed in our office. This demonstrates the range of material used and the design flair of the team who put up our displays, particularly Alan Street, who has worked at Avon Bulbs for even longer than we have. We are aiming to show that there is a huge range of colours, shapes and textures available to you from amongst all the bulbs, and to show you plant combinations that you may not have considered before that really work. Mixed into the display, you will see some material that is not bulbous. After all, bulbs are the jewels in the garden, and as no garden can be created from bulbs alone, you need a structure and some other material around which to weave all this colour, and to do this we have used some annuals and shrubs too. Moreover, those bulbs that we grow to display are the same bulbs that we sell by mail order. So what you see is what you too should be able to grow from what you order from us. After all, when you plant a big bulb, you know that the flower has already been formed during its dormancy, and all that is needed is for you to provide the situation for it to look good and thrive thereafter. The mail order side is promoted extensively through our website and in the annual production of 2 printed catalogues illustrated by our own photographs. One in the early summer, listing the late summer and autumn planted bulbs, which we deliver by mail and carrier in the autumn, ready for planting. And another in the early spring, covering another core speciality that we are well known for, the snowdrops, as well as bulbs that flower in the summer, such as dahlias. It often surprises people that there are quite so many varieties of snowdrop, but at a time of year when there is little of interest in the garden, these are highly attractive and varied, and our 2018 list offered about 100 different varieties.